Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is you don't need lots of protein to be shredded and strong. So I'm going to show you here some workout clips from my workout today and also what I ate today. And I'm generally getting between 60 and 70 grams of protein per day, and this has been going on for many years now. And really enjoying my strength training workouts, which I do twice a week. I fast throughout the morning. I just drink water throughout the morning, and then about 11 a.m. twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week, I'll do some strength training. So today was a pull-push leg routine where I did some weighted pull-ups. I did a bench press machine, and then I did a leg press machine. And I just did 2 rounds of this. On my second round, I did chin-ups, and my second round, I did push-ups. So varied up the exercises a little bit, but it was like I said, a pull-push leg, and had a really great time here. Now, I did break my fast at 1 p.m., which is typical for me. As I said, I fast throughout the morning. I generally have about a 6-hour eating window, and I fast for 18 hours a day. During that time, during the fasting time, I just drink water, which is generally around 2 to 4 liters of water. And maybe sometimes I'll have a tea. Other than that, nothing else. No calories, nothing else other than just plain water and sometimes 1 tea. I'm also doing cardio twice a week, so I'll do a pretty hard 3 to 5 mile run twice a week. And then the other days, I'm just walking, take my dog on maybe 3 to 4 walks per day. So the point is, you can keep things really simple. They don't have to be complicated. Don't have to spend hours in the gym. My workouts are probably around 30 minutes, and that's all that I need, staying fit and healthy, strong, shredded as I'm into my mid-40s here. So here, I'll show you what I had today to eat. So I started off with oatmeal. I've really been on an oatmeal kick lately. I had about a serving and a half of rolled oats I cooked up on the stove. I sliced up an apple to put in there. I had about a 1/3 cup pecans, about 3/4 cup of frozen blueberries, some cinnamon, about a tablespoon of cacao powder, and about a tablespoon of brown sugar. So this is one of the combinations I've been making a lot lately, and I threw on some almond milk as well. So there it is, very delicious. Try that out. Let me know what you think about that combo for the oatmeal. And then a couple hours later, about 3 p.m., I had a sumo citrus and a banana. And then about an hour after that, at 4 p.m., I had a salad. It was greens, cucumber, avocado, some dried cherries, some seasoned almonds. And then at 7 p.m., I had this vegetarian tofu coconut curry stir fry over rice, and I had about 1.5 bowls of that, nice large bowls. And that was it. So make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Thanks for tuning in. I hope everyone has a great day. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts on this. And I hope everyone has a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.